Hello and welcome. You are watching House Edge Consulting और मैं हूँ आपकी host and दोस्त खुशी. And in this video, we are going to talk about all the updates and new insights of Prestige City, Ghaziabad. We will also talk about the developer, where exactly this location is and why you should invest here. So stay tuned till the end. Well, starting from the developer profile. So Prestige Group has numerous projects in South India, starting from Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and they have spread across Chennai, Goa, Cochin, Mangalore as well. They have been building this empire since 1986 and have been a big part of the globalized avatar by constantly introducing and creating state-of-the-art transformative real estate concepts. And what we have learned through their projects is that they have been very consistently delivering innovative, futuristic, and creative projects. With that, they have been the most reliable, trusted, and appreciable builders in India. Residential के साथ साथ they have delivered commercial, retail, and hospitality projects as well. Prestige Group is also the only CRISIL DA1 Plus rated real estate developer in India. For those who do not know, CRISIL is basically a real estate developer grading scale ranging from DA1 Plus to DA5, having 8 points. Prestige City has been rated DA1 Plus. Now you do the math. All in all, the developer's ability to execute real estate projects as per specified quality levels within the stipulated time, schedule, and transfer clean title is DA1 Plus. So Prestige City is undoubtedly a winner. Now coming for the first time in North India and choosing a location like Siddharth Vihar, Ghaziabad is a great deal. They could have easily chosen a renowned location like Gurugram or Delhi, but they chose to come here in Siddharth Vihar. And we think it is a game changer for Siddharth Vihar. As the impact of Prestige is so much, it would elevate the standard of living in Siddharth Vihar, setting a new benchmark for real estate in the area, creating a landmark destination in the NCR real estate map, further transforming the location into a sought-after destination. Now talking about the location, the project lies beside NH24, the Delhi-Meerut Expressway, and this is a major benefit for the people who travel through this route, as connectivity from Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad and Meerut is absolutely fab. Coming to metro, railway and airport connectivity, the nearest metro station from Siddharth Vihar is Shahid Sthal, New Bus Adda metro station, and Noida Electronic metro station. Ghaziabad railway station is 5 minutes from the project. Hindon Airport is approximately 15 to 20 minutes from the project. Hospitals there are many hospitals nearby. Fortis being one of them, 10 minutes from the project. Santosh Hospital, nearly 8 to 10 minutes from the project. And Max Hospital Vaishali is also a renowned hospital, 10 minutes from the project. Talking about the educational institutes around the vicinity, then we have Delhi Public School, just 2 minutes from Prestige. Gaur International School is also just 2 minutes. Nearby colleges are IMS Ghaziabad, Santosh Medical College, ABES Engineering College and many more around the vicinity. And because the connectivity and location is too good, Siddharth Vihar will get full marks for it. After all, it is a great location to reside. Now talking about the new updates and insights of Prestige Group that we have come to know. Talking about the legal updates, the RERA approval is expected to come around December end. All legalities are almost done. The master plan and NOC will follow post RERA. What we know right now are all tentative updates. Talking about the project details, the construction will be through L&T Construction with architect Hafiz Contractor, with approximately 4,000 apartments and floor count of 40 to 45 floors. The configuration that is out right now is of 2 BHK compact and spacious size, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and some 5 BHK sizes coming the way as well. Ranging from 1200 to 1350 square feet for 2 BHK, 1800 square feet for 3 BHK, from 2500 square feet for 4 BHK until 3500 square feet for 5 BHK. There will be multiple phases to complete the project. It will include a whole township with apartments, retail shops, a school, healthcare facilities, multiple clubhouses, world-class amenities, green areas and their infamous Forum Mall in their 62.5-acre township. Now, after doing some market research, if we talk about Wave City, even there the price is approximately rupees 11,000 per square feet. And if we talk about Indrapuram and their resale value in today's date, it's approximately 12 to 13,000 per square feet. Even when they're the local developers and the project is of years back. You can have an estimate that the cost appreciation and resale value can go up to 20,000 plus per square feet after investing here in Prestige Group. As the infrastructural goal, development of the project is futuristic and the builder is number one in South India. Now let's talk about the pricing factor. So all the projects near, around and in Siddharth Vihar range from 9,000 rupees per square feet to 11,000 rupees per square feet. And Prestige Group, being a global reputed brand, is providing you a township with futuristic planning of your homes will be at the rate of rupees 12,000 rupees per square feet, and there will be additional charges to that. Well, because of the surge and brand legacy, this is the correct time when you should invest in your homes and book your slots through expression of interest. And for that, you need to contact House Edge Consulting on 875000-5008, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. And well, you can avail pre-launch benefits as well. And for more information, you need to contact or WhatsApp us. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. और भी updates आते रहेंगे Prestige Group के बारे में. I'll make sure कि वो आप तक timely पहुँचे. Thank you so much for watching this video. मैं हूँ आपकी host and दोस्त खुशी, signing off.